Good afternoon, students. Be safe, be responsible. I hope all of you are fine. So, let's continue the story, or I can say, let's try to find out the answers of king's questions. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground. Digging means here an act of dig something in front of his hut. Okay, when he went there, the king went there, he saw that the hermit was busy in digging the ground. Okay, in front of his hut. His hut means the hermit's hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. He wished the king, as like normal ordinary person came, whenever an ordinary person went there, he used to wish. That is why he wished the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak. How can we analyze it? Because when he worked, he breathed heavily. Okay, that is the sign of his age. He was old and weak. Now, the king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? Now, the king told the hermit about his questions, why he went there. He told him the reason to go there. The reason was that he wanted to ask the questions, and he told the hermit about the questions. He told him the three questions. What were the three questions? How can he learn to do the right thing? Who were the right peoples he need most? Okay, so he told his all questions to the hermit. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. The hermit heard the king. He heard everything. He heard all the questions, but he don't react. He didn't react, and he continued his work. Now, you are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade. Spade means a rectangular tool of digging. Okay, and work in your place. Now the king told him, the king told the hermit that he was tired. Let he take the spade and he would continue the work. Now, thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. After giving his spade to the king, he bade him, he thanks him, and sit over there. Now, when the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. After digging two beds here means small boxes made by the hermit in the ground. He had to dug the particular part. The hermit gave. Okay, the hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. Now, after realizing that, the hermit realized that the king was tired. Now he told them, now you gave me the spade and I would go for the work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. And king reject his offer and continue to work, because he wanted to ask him the question. Okay, 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so and I will return home. Now, after so much frustration, the king told the hermit, if you will not answer me, I will go to my home. Now, here comes someone running, said the hermit. Now, all of a sudden, the hermit told the king that someone was coming. Okay, so next part I will explain to you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.